Good morning. Today I want to talk about oregano. It's today's buy one get one in doTERRA. So physiologically, oregano is very powerful. It is a hot oil, so you're not supposed to use it for too long, or it can start to create more heat. But it's extremely antiviral and antibacterial. And if you open this newsletter, you'll see a little video on that science project that a young man did. Excuse me, I might need oregano right now. I've been around a lot of sick people, and if you look at the newsletter, you'll see some recipes for these cold and flu bombs. I might need to use one just to prevent any illness this time of year. So I'll go through the physical uses and then I will go over the emotional and energetic quality of oregano. It's antiviral, antibacterial, great for throat issues. It does not taste good, so I highly recommend putting it in a veggie capsule. I was sick and I didn't know, I was just kind of out of it in December, and I made these cold and flu bombs. You can use like a tiny bit with some fractionated coconut oil or another carrier oil and rub it on your chest. That's what my stepmother does. She has a lung disease, and since she's been using the oils, she hasn't gotten pneumonia usually, and pneumonia is life-threatening for her. So it hasn't cured her lung disease, but it definitely helps protect her, give her a little extra protection. When during flu season, she's not allowed to go outside sometimes. It's according to this book, not the FDA, staph infections, MRSA, intestinal worms, parasites, warts, calluses, canker sores. Dilute and put them on with frankincense and apply to the area. Just any lung, viral, bacterial issues, including urinary tract infections, pneumonia, athlete's foot, so you can see where we're going here. Emotionally, it's the oil of humility and non-attachment. It cuts through the fluff of life and teaches individuals to do the same. It removes blocks and clears negativity and cuts away negative attachments. It's powerful, forceful, or intense. It addresses people's needs to be right. So it's just saying like people who are really rigid and are unteachable and want everybody to agree with them. I think we all know people like that, and I think, we can all be like that. It dispels materialism and attachment that hinders growth and progress. And I personally do, sometimes we get colds when we're stuck. I just find I grow a lot personally when I have some time. Unfortunately, it'd be better not to have to get sick, but it's a very introspective time. What if we took the time and space to introspect? Maybe we would stay healthier. Who knows? But that's just my perspective. So it helps release toxic attachments that limit our capacity to feel a healthy connection to the divine. It encourages true spirituality by inviting the soul to live in non-attachment, and letting go of rigidity, willfulness, negative attachments, and materialism. So, getting our own will out of the way. In a lot of spiritual or metaphysical traditions, there is a lot of talk about our own will getting in the way. But on a physical note, this is a great time to use oregano. And some people use essential oils for cooking. They don't have the same vitamins in them. It's very different. It's a volatile oil, but for flavor. All right, thanks for listening, and look for another little video on Melaleuca /tea tree oil. Thank you.